Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. In this video we will learn Firebase Firestore database. Okay, let's get started. As you can see our application ready inside our simulator. Let's look quickly. Inside our screen, this is a basic screen actually. We have 4 objects inside our screen, one text field and 2 buttons we have. As you can see inside the text field area there is a hint, write your message in here. For example, if I write any, for example test 5, and after that when I click this save button, as you can see application showing to us a notification information message saved. And as you can see we have another button show last message. When I clicked that message, as you can see our last message coming here we write before. You might ask which database that message saved. Actually Firestore. Let's look to our Firestore panel. Let's refresh our page. And when we click yes, as you can see April 6, our message came here for save inside our Firebase database. Okay, first of all you have to create a Firebase account, and after that you have to put your identifier inside your Firebase panel, and after that you can enable Cloud Firestore for your project. And after the create your Firestore cloud, as you can see I created a collection named messages. This is so important, that means this is your actually database name. As you can see my database name is messages, and of course you have to write exactly the same inside your code, this database name. And after that we will look to code later. Inside your project you have to add that Firebase store, Firebase Firestore inside your pod file, and after that you can use terminal for install your new pods. And okay, let's look to code. It's a basic struct code base actually. I don't want to start with our UI design. We have one save message private function. I want to start with that function, that save message function. As you can see our message is empty. This message object we created above, if it is empty, that function we won't continue, it will return actually. And our isLoading parameter, we have some isLoading parameter, and let's look to parameters we created for this project. As you can see, to entire parameter we created has state annotation, because we want to observe that changes inside different code blocks. We have message type string, we have saved message type also string, we have isLoading type false, show alerts default value is false, and alert message type string. Okay, let's continue inside our save message private function. As you can see we are creating a data variable. It is a string and it's an array actually. We are putting text and time step inside that data object, and our text will be our message. When the user wrote any message inside our text field, as you can see in here, is equals to our message parameter what user wrote, and we are taking our message parameter in here, and we are for time step we are using the server time step, as you can see in here. And we have a one DB object, DB instance. We have, as you can see here, Firestore, Firestore for access to Firebase functions like add document or fetch document like this. And db.collection, we want to collect that database name like messages I talked about before. This is too much important. You have to exactly same name you have to write in here. And add document and our data will be we created data object in here. And we are checking the is success or error actions in here. If it is there any error, we are showing to user that error message in here. If it is success, we are showing to user a message like message saved. And we have also fetch last message function, private function here. When the user click show last message button, we are calling to that fetch last message function, as you can see in here. And is loading, of course, true, because when the entire process will continue, we want to show to user screen a progress view. And we are connecting to our messages database in here. And we are using for filter time step in here, and we are adding a limit like 1. We just want to 1 message in here, and we are taking to our last saved messages in here. We are checking is there any error in here, and also we are checking it is empty or not, as you can see in here. And it is not empty and there is no error. We are taking that text, last saved text, and we are equals to our saved message text in here. And yes, we are saving and we are fetching to our messages. Right now we can continue with our screen. As you can see inside our screen, we have vertical stack inside the body, and we have text, and we have text fields, and one button for save message in here. When the user click that save button after wrote a text message, we are calling our save message function in here. So we have one more button, as you can see in here, for fetching to that message. And we have a one if condition is here, is if our save message parameter is not empty, we are showing to fetched message text in here. As you can see, we can fetch to entire changes for our saved message using the state annotation, because we are observing that parameter. If is there any changes for our saved message text, immediately we can take that changes in here. And we are checking, as I said before, if it is not empty, we are adding that saved text message inside the text for show to user screen. And if we have also one more if condition is here, progress with, if it is true, our progress will be work like this. And also we have a alert. As you can see, it is presented with our show alerts boolean parameter. And of course for text we are going to user our alert message. We are filling that alert message. For example, like here, there is no message, or like here, message saved, or is there any error user try to save some message to our Firebase Firestore database, we are filling that alert message also here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.